With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If the difference of the roots of the equation x square minus px plus q is equal to 0 is unity, then we have to determine which of the following is true. Now, let us consider that alpha and beta are roots of this equation. From this we can conclude alpha plus beta, which is sum of root, which is represented by minus b by a, is equal to, this will be equal to minus b is minus p divided by 1, because coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore, this is simply equal to p. Similarly, product of roots, which is alpha into beta, will be equal to c by a. In this case, c by a is equal to q, because this is q, c is q, and coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore, this is q. Now, it is also given that difference of root of this equation is unity. Therefore, we have alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Now, to get the relation between p and q, we need to utilize all these three. Now, we have expansion formula, which is, we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This is what we know. Using this formula, we can write this is alpha plus beta whole square, which is equal to p square, will be equal to alpha minus beta is 1 square, which is equal to 1, plus 4 into alpha into beta, which is equal to 4q. This is what we get. Now let's check the option. This is equal to p square minus 4q is equal to 1, which is our option 2. Therefore, option 2 is correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.